Excuse me, do you know where the fruits are?
I'm not sure. I'm new here too. Maybe we can ask someone from the staff.
I can't decide between the iPhone and the Samsung Galaxy for my next phone. Oh, I had the same dilemma last month. Ended up going with the Samsung, and I'm loving it so far. I was thinking about trying a new coffee shop around here. Any recommendations?
Sure, there's a great one called Iliaziri just a few blocks away. Their lattes are fantastic.
I've been really into basketball lately. It's so fast-paced and exciting.
I'm more of a soccer fan myself. The strategy and teamwork make it a captivating sport for me.